That's no.
Anyhow, I won't be with you.
But me, I know they like. Eh? That fine lady they come so.
That girl, now my compound girl, no near am.
If your company you come.
Guy, no near that girl. Why? That girl, she sabi English well.
Now by English. They forget that thing.
She go use English finish your destiny. Once I no tell you.
Forget that thing. Now by English, guy. You see the way she dey want.
You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.
You don't follow. Yeah, they follow her. Eh? No wahala na same journey. But guy, no dey come dey distract.
You dey go get what's that? Guy. Wait.
Why you dey follow me now? Wetin be your problem?
You still dey go?
Wetin concern you now?
Okay, no wahala. Make I follow you. See how she go use embarrass you now. As you no wan hear. You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.
They see wetin I dey see.
You be see man, everything they see. You no dey gree see, no dey see.
You never see anything.
You only you waka come.
Hello, fine girl.
What do you want? What do you want from me? Why are you guys chasing me?
Say a bad thing for which
You only you waka come.
Please, I'm not your class. Please. I'm a graduate. You are too low for me. You are too low. So low. So low, please. There.
Shit. I want to hear of this.
person they talk to you just dey go.
Can't you hear me? I said I'm a graduate. A complete graduate for that matter. Please. Nonsense. You are too low for me.
You only you waka come.
Nonsense.
So if you be graduate now, person no fit talk to you. In fact, you don't do your NYSC.
NYC. I hate that course.
Jesus Christ.
I hate it with passion
Christ. I hate the course.
because it's full of calculation.
Will you keep quiet?
Why are you guys running?
Because it's full of calculation.